Thank you for stepping into the world of your girl, Sade Jackson, the realtor. We are looking at this beautiful Jamestown Estate Home in Sienna of Missouri City, Texas. This particular floor model is 5 to 6 bedrooms, 6.5 restrooms, and it's equipped with a split 3-car garage with a game room, a covered patio in the backyard, as well as a pool with a spa. This particular floor model is about 4828 in square footage, and the base price is running at 1.2, that's without the pool, and 1.3 million with the pool. Come on, let's take a look at this beautiful home so you can see all of what you love about it. you for stepping into the world of your girl, Sade Jackson, the realtor. Please comment below. I want to know all of the different features and amenities that you loved and liked about this home. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.